Welcome. I'm in the middle of recording, as you can tell, but I wanted to make a quick video because I came across something on the Pixel 8 Pro that might be of interest to you. The face unlock has been working great for me. However, does not work great in dim lighting. I wanted to show y'all this. Watch. Let me see if I can turn these lights off. So normally when you're laying in bed, right? Or let's say you're laying, or you're just in a kind of a dim room, not much light on. Normally, you never had an issue with this with a Samsung or OnePlus or anything, right? So you're in a dim room, right? I keep on turning off lights. Let's try this one on. Now, normally in a room like this, right? Look, you got our cat over there sleeping. It's in like 6:30 in the evening. Uh, Normally shouldn't have any issues with a screen unlock, right? It's dim, but it's not dark, right? So the Pixel 8 Pro has been great in direct light with the face unlock. However, when it is dim, there has been some issues. Just letting y'all know, and I want to show y'all an example. I have my Pixel 8 Pro here. Let's see. Pixel 8 Pro. All right, blue. Now, let's see if I can get the face unlock to not work. So, let's get out of the light. You got that in the background. See, I'm recording. So, I wonder how I can do this. Let's see. Do it from the side. I'm gonna hold it like this. Let's see. Watch. Let's see if it works. Oh, it worked now. It works when I. It's one of those things where it's like it never works, and then when you try to make it work, it works, right? It's like, let's see now. Watch. Are you ready? See, it didn't recognize it. It's too dark when it's not even that dark in here. Watch. Can't recognize face. Let me do the camera like this. So you can see what now my face is right next to the phone that you're looking out of. But this should work, right? Watch. See? Too many attempts. Face lock unavailable. Great. Here. Okay. So I unlocked it. See, it's unlocked. Now let's try it again. I'm going to put this right next to my face so you're looking at the phone like I am, okay? Watch. Nothing. Oh, shit. Sorry. Let's try it again. Can't recognize face. You'll see that? Can't recognize face. So, in a dimly lit room like this, it's not that dim. Look, I have a bright ass big TV on. Now, that's the only light source, and it is still light outside. But if you're laying in bed at night and you have like a TV on, it would be even darker than this because there is some light coming from the window. Your face unlock is not going to work. Now, I don't know if that's because they've stepped up their security and it's more secure, so they need more light to access the dimensions of your face. I don't really know what's going on, but it was working flawless. So when I did my initial unboxing, I was like, man, this face unlock is badass. In fact, I posted a video yesterday saying that the face unlock was great. But little did I know, it was working great in the light. And then last night is when it started not unlocking. I was like, what the hell is going on? It worked fine. I even posted a video about it. And then, boom, wouldn't work. And then I flipped the light on, and then it worked. And I turned the light off. Wouldn't work. Turned the light on. It worked. So I'm like, gosh, shit. So, not good in dim lighting. But other than that, it's great. Other than that, it's fine. But look, didn't work again. So, just wanted y'all to be aware that the face unlock for the Pixel 8 Pro does not work great in dim lighting. I do have... Let me turn this back on because I need to shoot another video. I do have a case here. What I'm going to do is get the... Here we go. Nice light. I got this case I'm going to review. Spigen, love this case. We got that one coming up. There we go. We got the speaking case coming up. And what else do we got? I have the Caseology FX I'm going to do. In fact, I'll probably record one of those here right now. And then I'm recording on my other Pixel 8 Pro, the white one, that we're going to shoot the Eclipse on tomorrow. So we'll get all that set up in the morning and get that Eclipse thing going. It's going to be super cool. Yeah, just testing stuff out here. I'm really enjoying it, minus the face. I mean, it hasn't really bothered me, but I guess it does in that night. We'll see how it goes tonight, but as long as you have enough light illuminating your face, you won't have a problem during normal daily use. But in like a movie theater, if you're chilling at home watching a movie at night, it might not work. So that's one major concern, potentially. Now, I don't know if that can be fixed with a software update. I have no idea, but I guess we'll find out. But other than that, really, really nice phone. I do not have Smart Lock on. Normally, I do have Smart Lock on, but I don't have it on for this device just because I'm testing everything out. Battery life has been really good. I did charge it earlier. Let's see where the battery life is at. I have adaptive charging off. Where is it at? 79. I don't need diagnostics. Let's go to usage. So I should not have charged this earlier because I charged it at 100% first thing this morning. I charged it overnight. But I plugged it in my car earlier today, and it charged it to 100%. I really wasn't paying attention. I planned on not charging it so I could do a good battery test. My wife is getting really good battery usage on hers. I watched Flossie's review last night. He said he's not getting too good a battery life. I don't know why. I'm getting pretty good battery life. My wife's getting really good battery life. As you can tell, YouTube is the big one there. But other than that, nothing really draining on the device. YouTube, and basically that's it. As you can tell, screen on time by the hour. Oops. So, other than that, pretty good so far. Has not gotten warm. Is it hot? It's not hot. Let's see the internal temperatures. Now, this has been on. I've been watching YouTube all day. Doing some video editing on here, light video editing. Let's see what the temperature's at. $80 degrees, so basically normal. So I'll continue to test it. Now tomorrow's the big day. We're filming the Eclipse, and we're gonna be outside, and we're gonna be filming 4K and all sorts of stuff. So tomorrow's the big day. We'll see if it overheats. But as of now, normal usage, everything's fine. So even this one, the white one that I'm shooting my video from, even that one. I set it up, signed in, and started downloading apps. It did not get hot. So far so good. Now my only complaint is that face unlock not working in dim lighting. But other than that, it's been a phenomenal device. Really, really enjoy it. So I'll let y'all go, but just wanted to give you an update on this face unlock. Actually, hold up. I wanted to go check and see the settings. Face unlock. I don't want you to see my swipe code. Unlock your phone using your face or fingerprint and verify it's you. Require eyes to be open. I was trying to see, maybe there's like on some phones it'll illuminate the screen. That's what they need to add. I just realized that because I was like, well, maybe it's got a option in here to, like on OnePlus phones. I first saw it, and even on my Samsung phone, for face unlock, if you're in a dim setting, even if you have dark mode on like this, when you're scanning your face, your screen will turn real bright to, I mean, it won't blind you, but bright enough to illuminate your face so your phone can read your face and then unlock your phone. That option's not in here. You know what? Hang on. I was gonna say I have this device, but it doesn't have face unlock, or does it? How long has it been since you've seen one of those? Galaxy S9. I don't think this has face unlock, but I know Samsung. Let's see. Face unlock. I doubt it does. Unlock. Does it have face unlock? Holy shit. This phone is so old. Wow. Hang on. Let me set this up and see if it's got it on there. Okay. Damn it. Okay. Hang on, guys. Okay, so it's asking, do you wear glasses? Nope. So they want me to hold this up to my face. You're registered. Stay on lock screen. Nope. I want it to unlock as soon as it sees my face. Back up your pattern. No, but I don't have an option, do I? Sign into your Samsung account. God damn it. Okay, so we're going to pretend like... So let's close this out. Let's see if it'll work with face unlock here. I didn't think this phone had face unlock. This thing's so old. Cool phone, though. That's like the first, like, curved screen phone, the S9. Actually, the S6 was, but... Okay. Oh, face. Oh, it works. I'll be damned. Let's see if it works in dim. See how quick that was? Now, it worked with the Pixel in this lighting. But, let me see if this... I was trying to see if it had face illuminating... Where you could... It'll illuminate the screen to brighten your face so it can scan your face. Now, where's the settings for face unlock? Intelligent scan unlock. Unlock your phone using the combined face and iris scanning. Damn it. Let's see. Let me try this first. Oh, here we go. Add alternative look. I always do that. Pixel does not have alternative look. I love alternative look. What if you wear glasses one time? What if you cut your beard, right? Or what if you, I don't know, if you're a girl, you put makeup on, right? Stay on lock screen? Nope. Faster recognition. Improve speed, but reduces security. Huh. Require eyes to be open. There we go. Increase screen brightness. Blurred out. Increase screen brightness temporarily so your face can be recognized in the dark. Google, I know you're subscribed to my channel, and I know at least one or two of y'all at Team Pixel in the building is subscribed to my channel. Look at this. This old Samsung Galaxy S9 has got this that you are going to need. You need to add this to your settings. Brighten screen on face unlock so you can get us in. Watch. Dim lighting. See, let's put it to the test. See, I do this stuff all the time. I just never hit record. So I'm like, why don't I just hit record while I test all this stuff? This is like my normal daily activities I go through. And then I don't record it. So now I'm just starting to record all the shit I normally do while I test out. Okay, so let's see. So that's on. So brighten screen. Come on. Okay, so just double checking. Jesus Christ. Faster recognition requires brighten screen right there. Okay, see that's on face unlock. And again, now let's test it out. Remember, the Pixel could not do it in this setting. Let's test it out again just to make sure. Wow, this turned out to be a nice little video. Okay, so... Oh, shit. Go. There we go. Okay, so ready? We'll test it. I don't have any lights on except the TV. So you're looking at the phone just like I am. Ready? Damn it. I had y'all off centered. Anyways, check this out. It won't work. Watch. I'm pulling it up to my face. Oh, it worked there. Well, that's 1 out of like, what, 7 or 8? Nope. Didn't work there. Okay, so let's test the Samsung. This old phone better not work. Huh. Well, doesn't look that bad, I guess. It didn't get that much brighter. Interesting. So still, that Samsung doesn't work. Well, it works there. But it's not actually getting that much brighter, though. Like, it's barely getting brighter. I've seen some, like on my Samsung, it'll blast like a white light in your face. But anyways, you get the idea. Google needs to implement that into their operating system here. Check this out. Samsung needs to operate in needs to implement that in their operating system. Let's see, they don't have anything like that, do they? Let me just double check. Face unlock. Face detection. Display auto rotation. Excuse me. Huh. Require eyes to be open. Always require confirmation. Face and fingerprint unlock. Doesn't have that in there, does it? Let's see. Huh. Should have been. If it was going to be in one of these options right here. Be in this option right here. So it would be right in here. If it was, it would be right in here, and there's nothing. Requires be open. Always require confirmation. Skip lock screen. And that's it. So Google, Team Pixel, please add brighten screen when dim, because that's going to help solve a major issue that I've been having. That's one of the things with Pixel. I've never had a really issue with their fingerprint scanners. Face unlocks been decent, I guess, in the past. Now, if you all remember, the 6 series didn't have face unlock. The 7 series did, and I was ecstatic. And it worked pretty good, but I was expecting this one to be badass, and still not perfect. So, but you see where you can make an improvement. Google, I know y'all listen to me. Please add this into your settings. Brighten the screen to illuminate dim settings so we can get our face unlock to working right, because it's become very annoying. And look, I'm going into another night. It's about to be nighttime again, and watch, this is not going to work half the time at night again. So it's really annoying. It really is. It's really annoying, actually. But I may have to turn smart lock on. But what if you're out at dinner, right, at a restaurant? What if you're at a movie theater? What if you're at your kid's football game or something outside at night, or you're at Fiesta, Texas, or whatever? You know what I'm saying? You're out in a parking lot when you're leaving dinner. Go walk into your car, like just random times it doesn't work. It's super annoying. So I'm gonna test it again tonight, but it's probably gonna be the same thing. It's just not gonna work really. So please fix that, Google. I'm depending on you. You have been pretty good in the past listening to us. So this is just one extra thing that you can easily add to your operating system. Easy. Look, that Galaxy S9. That's nice 9. It's 10. S20. S21, S22, S23. We're on 6 years, 6 generations since that phone. So basically a 6-year-old phone has got a setting that you desperately need to put in your Pixel 8 Pro. So I expect to see this in one of the future updates. So please put that in there. All right, guys, let me get out of here. I got to record something. So I just wanted to make a video about the face unlock. And yeah, so stay tuned. I got a ton of stuff coming. Solar eclipse tomorrow, Pixel 8 Pro tomorrow. Don't miss it. Peace out.